In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document via Adobe in just 5 minutes. Signing a PDF electronically has become an essential skill, whether for business, personal, or legal purposes. Gone are the days of printing, signing, scanning, and emailing documents. Now, with Adobe, you can do it all digitally in a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in and see how you can create your electronic signature seamlessly using Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever one you're comfortable with. In the search bar, type in Adobe and hit Enter. This will direct you to the Adobe website, where you can access all of Adobe's features. Once you're on the Adobe site, look for the option to log in. Enter your login credentials to get started. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to sign up for one. Adobe often offers free options for basic usage, like document signing. When you've logged in, the next step is to open the PDF document you wish to sign. Make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Reader DC installed on your computer, as this software will make the signing process straightforward. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the right pane of the software interface or the toolbar. Here, locate the Fill and Sign button or the Sign icon. Clicking on this will bring up the tools you'll need to add your signature. Next, after opening the signing options, click the Sign button and then select Add Signature. This action will prompt a window to appear, offering you a few choices on how you want to create your signature. You can type your name, draw your signature using either your mouse or a stylus, or upload an image of your signature if you have a pre-designed signature saved as an image file. Each of these options has its own advantages, so choose the one that feels most comfortable and authentic for your needs. Once you've decided and created your signature, click Apply. Your signature will now appear on the PDF document. You can move it around to place it precisely where you need it on the page. Once satisfied with its positioning, click again to finalize its placement. Finally, to save this document with your signature, simply save the file as you normally would in Adobe. This means you'll have a signed PDF ready to share or send as required. It's a simple yet powerful feature that significantly speeds up workflow and reduces the hassle of paper-based document handling. And there you have it. A quick, efficient way to sign PDFs using Adobe. With these steps, you can now digitally sign documents with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tutorials.